Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your TikTok account to your Facebook account. Linking your TikTok account to your Facebook account is one way you can get your friends on Facebook to find and follow you and also engage with your TikTok videos. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your TikTok to your Facebook account. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step you have to take is to tap on your TikTok app, launch into your TikTok app. So guys, once you open up your TikTok app, all you have to do first of all is to tap on your TikTok profile. You can see it at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. So guys, I'm going to show you guys the normal way that people do add their social media platform to TikTok. Other social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube and the rest of them. I'm going to show you guys the normal way people do it. What you have to do next now is to tap on edit profile. So guys, normally if you want to add any social media platform to your TikTok account, you come under the social section. You can see it there below. Here we have Instagram and YouTube, but the unfortunate thing is that there is no Facebook here. So there is no way you can add Facebook using this social section. But I have an alternative way that you can link your TikTok account to your Facebook account. Let me show you guys. You have to go back to your TikTok profile. Once you're in your TikTok profile page, then you tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, you have to tap on privacy. That's the second option. Tap on it. So guys, then you scroll downwards. Then under where you see seen contact and Facebook friends, this is where you do the magic. This is where you actually add your TikTok account or link your TikTok account to your Facebook account. Just tap on it. So guys, over here we have two sections, the contact section and the Facebook friends section. The Facebook friends section is the one below. You can see where it is written, seen Facebook friends. Let me read what is written there. They say, your Facebook friends list will be periodically synced to help you find and get discovered by people you may know. This includes people who share mutual connections with you on Facebook. You can turn this off anytime. So guys, for you to sync or link your TikTok account to your Facebook account, all you have to do is to toggle on this feature. Let me tap on this to toggle it on. All you have to do is to tap OK. You can go ahead to read this. Okay, let me read it. They say, give TikTok access to your Facebook friends list and email. This will be used to improve your TikTok experience, including connecting you with the people you may know, people you share connection with on Facebook, and personalizing your ads. Learn more in the help center. So guys, if you're done reading it, you tap on OK. So guys, as you can see, it's loading up. So guys, you can see here it's saying TikTok is requesting access. What you have to do is to tap on continue. That means you're continuing with your Facebook account. Tap on continue. Wow guys, as you can see now, my TikTok account has been linked and synced to my Facebook friends. This is so awesome. So guys, this is how you go about it, and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.